Question 1. Which is the biggest animal on land? Option A. Hippopotamus. Option B. Rhinoceros. Option C. Elephant. Option D. Giraffe. The answer is elephant. Option C. The elephant is the biggest animal on the land. So now the question is, which is the biggest animal in the world? Option A, elephant. Option B, horse. Option C, lion. Option D, blue whale. So the answer is blue whale is option D. Blue whale is the biggest animal in the world. Question number 3. Which animal is the best adapted to the desert? Option A, buffalo. Option B, giraffe. Option C, camel. Option D, cheetah. Option C is the correct answer, camel. Question 4 is, which is the tallest bird? Option A, ostrich. Option B, vulture. Option C, parrot. Option D, eagle. Answer is ostrich. Option A. Which is the tallest land animal in the world? Option A, camel. Option B, giraffe. Option C, elephant. Option D, zebra. The correct answer is option B, giraffe. Question 6 is, animals that sucks their young ones are called. Option A, reptiles. Option B, birds. Option C, amphibians. Option D, mammals. The correct answer is option D, mammals. Mammals are animals that give birth their young ones. Question 7 is, which one is fur bearing animal? Option A, tortoise. Option B, crocodile. Option C, bear. Option D, hen. The correct answer is option C, bear. Bear is fur bearing animal. Question number 8. Which birds hide their eggs in the nest of other species? Option A, parrots. Option B, cuckoos. Option C, hummingbirds. Option D, sparrows. Option B is the correct answer, cuckoos. Question 9 is, how do fishes breathe through? Option A, lungs. Option B, gills. Option C, nose. Option D, mouth. So the correct answer is option B, gills. Question 10 is, which bird can fly backwards? Option A, parrot. Option B, owl. Option C, bat. Option D, hummingbird. The correct answer is option D, hummingbird. Hummingbirds can fly backwards.